Hi, it's Lori again. I am back to share. Hopefully I can get both signatures in this last video. Um, so I wanted to share this next signature that I made. This one I made quite a while ago, and I don't really care for the cover anymore, so I think I might change the cover. But I'm not sure yet. So here is the inside page, and this is that We Are Memory Keepers Stitch something, Stitch Happy, or I forgot what it's called, but you make the indentations or the little holes with a tool that they have in the kit, and then you sew this the embroidery floss or whatever it is that you want to use, I guess. I mean, the holes are pretty big, so you probably could use a thicker kind of maybe even a yarn or something like that. But I was just playing around with it because I was borrowing it from somebody and I just wanted to try it out. It's pretty fun. Even my 13-year-old liked it, and she, you know, teens don't have a very long attention span. So this is a paper bag. Pieces, I think this is washi tape right here, this flowered washi tape. Yeah, this flowered, I thought it was paper, but it's washi tape, and so is that coffee one that I've been using. These are tags I made. There's one in the back, and there's one in the bag. This is scrapbook paper, the one with the keys on it. And I made a little cluster down there so those tags can go in there or behind it. Some more lace, a little doily that I don't know even where I got it. These little book paper, it's from an old dictionary that I got somewhere or something. I don't even know, a garage sale or something. Some more frayed papers, another little cluster there with a tag in the back. This one I don't really like at all. I think I might redo this page. So I don't really care for it now. Little piece of scrapbook paper. That's a little camera stamp. I just cut it out. There's a little tiny tags back there that I don't even know where I cut them out of something. So it's a little punch. I just made this little tuck spot, and I made the tag, and I made this little paper clip up here. I just put a piece of lace there. This one as well, I put some scrapbook paper there, and I think at first there was a doily back there and I didn't like it, so I covered it. This is a little bag. These were from Target, like back in the summer. A little cluster that I made, I put a tag back there. I'm having a hard time here. Just a little journaling card. This came from a cutout from a piece of scrapbook paper, and I just folded it at this spot. This is from book paper. I just sprayed it. This is a little pocket from my cutout. It's a little envelope or pocket from my Cricut. And this is a piece of ephemera that I glued on there, and then I stuck this in there. So that was cute. And then this is, I don't even know, I think that's a sticker. Same thing here. Oh, this does not go in here. I'm not sure why it's there. This is kind of the same thing as on the other side. I just put it there. Here I took a doily and sprayed it with some like white paint, and then I put these edges, corner pieces on there, and it's supposed to hold this tag. For some reason it doesn't want to stay in there because the top one keeps coming unglued. So I might have to, see, staple it. So this trim I don't really care for because I think it's so wide. I think I need to redo this. Another little cluster, made a little tag back there. Same here. This is a little bag. Those little bags are from Hobby Lobby. Some lace. Little cluster down there that I made into a tuck spot. The other side of that bag. And this is the one where I put the doily that I didn't really care for. This I got off Google or something. This I made. These are little cutouts from a piece of paper, and I put them together like a little waterfall almost type of thing. This is a little tuck spot, but I don't have anything there. And this is like a little cluster I made. And then this goes back here. And then that's the back. So it's kind of fat. I don't know. I might take a couple pages out because I think it's too big. And this is the one I've been working on most recently. I coffee dyed this sheet of music. Like I found like some music papers, sheets of music paper at the thrift store. And so I've just been using those, you know, in junk journals or whatever. And there was a tear here, so I put that lace there. I glued it there. And then this one I made into like a flip. So this one, I'm trying to figure out if I can get this positioned a little better, or this one I made into a flip out, so I'll show you that. I put a tag in here that I just cut out of a piece of scrap of paper. This is a little cluster I made so it can tuck in there. Here's some scrapbook paper, and this part flips out, and that's some graph paper that I coffee dyed. And then this is also scrapbook paper. It looks like marble. I just added that today, so I don't know if I really like it or not. I don't like to use scrapbook paper that's not double-sided because then this is just blank and I never know what to do with it. More coffee dyed. I coffee dyed this. I coffee dyed a batch of papers yesterday, and I watched a video where somebody like baked them in their oven afterwards to dry them, and I did it the day before yesterday. What's today? Thursday. So I did it yesterday, but before yesterday I did it Wednesday too, and I didn't have my temperature on, I don't think, high enough. So it took a long time, I thought. And then so yesterday when I tried it again, Wednesday when I tried it again, I like turned up just a little bit more, not a whole lot more, and I was right there the whole time like watching it because I was paranoid that something was going to start on fire. Yeah, I was really uncomfortable with it. I don't think I'd ever do it again. But I think they turned out like more crispy or something. But I thought I'd try this paper, the scrapbook paper. It's really thick and it came out really neat. I like the way it turned out. And I even did these, and these are already kind of distressed. So here's this one. And this folds out. And I haven't done anything like add anything to it because I just started it. I added this. This I've been, this is kind of a take on the paper, on the fabric snippet rolls, only using paper. And it's kind of the same thing as that that I showed in my couple videos back where I showed like the Franken paper from Nick the Booksmith. This is just using scraps, the same thing, collaging scraps of paper, ripping them, cutting them, using punches, using lace. And I glued them all like on a 2-inch wide strip, and then I let them dry, and then because the one I made is like 3 feet long, and then I just cut it. I cut it a little too short, and then I made it into a little side tuck. More poppy dyed, and then there's that one. So this one is really kind of plain because I haven't done anything. It's just kind of like the bare bones of it. But so far I think it looks okay. I've been trying to use everything for my stash because I don't want to go out and buy anything. The only thing I bought, I think, is just glue. So, but anyway, that's, I think, my last video for today. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.